took my granddaughter for a walk as my warm-up, and then she hollered and screamed because she hates to leave me. And now I'm out here doing my drill for today, my training for today. So I'm out. Hey, well, he's sleeping. Michael says hi.
Hi.
Amaya's in the back watching Mickey Mouse. And I am here with my weekly weigh-in. Yes, I'm going to put it right here next to him. And I think I gained like 1.5 pounds. And that was because I ate a lot more food than I normally eat. Let me see if I can keep this still. Hold on. You can turn, yeah. Okay. Well, that's about as still as I can keep it. I had a rough couple of days, and I didn't go out one day when I thought I was going to go out, and my grandbaby was sick, and she's still getting over whatever it is that she had. She had a fever for 3 days, and it was just, she wasn't feeling well. So when she doesn't feel well, I don't feel well because she lays on me, and I can't go anywhere. So not putting it on her, it was all on me. It was all on me. And now I'm moving a little bit more. Today I did 1.5 miles. I did a little bit further distance than I have ever done. So I'm excited about that. And I'm just going to work on having a better week. And I think what I'm going to do is alternate my fasting window. Usually I just fast at 1 o'clock. Fast until 1 o'clock and then that's it. But now I'm just going to fast until, when I start feeling hungry the next day. Today I didn't eat until 2:30, and it was because Tony made some salmon cakes without the crackers in them. So I had that with some green beans and some cucumbers and blackberries. So that was very delicious. I had my walk, and I'm going to just have a better week. I'm still down almost 40 pounds, so that is great. And I have a goal of being below 200 within the next couple of weeks. So I should be able to make that. Have a great week, guys. Bye.